Who did what? The beauty is overwhelming. Even if I make a mistake this time, it's just for fear of missing out. A hero can be wronged, but you can't step on my Shirley. Boom. Why fear the wheel of fate? Or the scattering of soul? Without you, that would be pitiful. Since the last video had many replies, so 31 friends were selected in total, and each was messaged privately. Then, I made some small buttons like these. The back features AiKun's design. 55 inches total. This time, the remaining patterns, and all Blue Enchantress limited keyboards are given away.